Hello guys, welcome to Java Developers YouTube channel. As we have completed successfully HTML playlist and today we are going to start CSS playlist. As the end of HTML I need to cover the projects but we not yet completed CSS, so I was past those projects and we are moving into the CSS topics. Okay, what is CSS? CSS is a cascade style sheet. Basically, as we learned, HTML is used for the providing the structure for the web page, and whereas CSS will provide the coloring the website, provide the layout for the website. We can apply the animations, we can make responsive styles, everything. Okay, apart from making the page dynamic, we can do everything more attractive. Just analyze things like you are building the home, you need one structure, and internally you will do some decorations, right? As a structure that will be consisting HTML, as internal decorations that can be done by the CSS. Okay, and that's all what does CSS mean, and we will cover the lots of topics from the beginner to the advanced level. As a CSS roadmap will be consisting of, first of all, what is CSS, what is its syntax. We have to know the syntax. Every language or everything what you are learning, the syntax should be must. And how to apply the colors. Right here he applied the linear gradient like that. You can apply the many colors to that, and if I want to select the particular thing, I want to select this particular thing and I want to apply different colors or different animations, that can be done by using the selectors. And you will be having the box model, which is very important in the point of view of interview. And you have to first know the things like what is the box model. It's a basic question and box sizing. And you will be having like, if you want to play with the text, right, that can be done by using these properties. And if you want to play like backgrounds, and you can use these background properties, and like border, box, shadow. Okay, we will learn these two. If you want to make the boxes shadow levels, that can be done. And while coming to the intermediate level, that will be very important. If you want to design any web page, that will be consisting these topics. Without these topics you cannot make the complete website here. Okay, that can be done by using the flex properties, grid properties, z index. Okay, all these properties should be mandatory as they are consisting positions. Okay, without this we cannot do anything. Okay, yeah. As this we will learn as we are going forward. And it's a static, it's a position concept, and z index, it will be used for the Bennett properties. And we will go for flex box and flex direction, that will be all related to the flex properties. Okay, up to here it will be flex, and later we are going to cover about the grid topics. Okay, after that we are going to cover the responsive design, which is very important. I mean, if you are seeing that a kind of app, okay, just if you go for the Amazon website, okay, you can see here everything, right? As a we are opening in the laptop, you can see the everything. And if you open in a mobile, the interface will become different, right? That will be done. Okay, that will be done by using the responsive design. I mean, if you're opening different screen sizes and how to affect the current website, that can be done by using that. Yeah. And that can be done by using the media queries and responsive designs as a topic that will cover. Okay, yeah. And that will be consisting of things like maximum weight, minimum weight. Some syntax will be there, right? For everything there need to be one syntax, and we need to follow that syntax, and we can make the every changes and pseudo classes and style. And this is another topic. And if I want to uh, select a particular thing, that can be done here too. And pseudo classes, if I want to hover, if I hover on this, it was showing something like fill and sign the documents for the required signatures. That can be done by using the hover. It will focus. Okay, that will be form based and active. Okay, we'll see that, no issues with that. And after we are going to the advanced topic like transition, transform. And if you are going for the animation kind of things, these will be very useful things. Okay, and if you're handling about the dark and light theme handlings, that can be done. And coming to the last topics of frameworks, you can done everything here. As after completing successful completion of CSS and HTML, some minor and major projects, and we are going for the bootstrap level. Okay, as I think we no need to cover the tailwind, just we go for the React as well as TypeScript, Angular. And we will do the navbar in different perspectives like CSS, HTML, and also we can do by the React. And by using the Angular or TS. Okay, I mean, uh, React is a library, whereas Angular is a framework for the JS JavaScript. Okay, these are the code layouts and landing pages, portfolio, dashboards that can be done by using the both HTML, CSS as well as React. Bootstrap that can be used. Bootstrap is nothing but already the code is already written in the particular website like Bootstrap, and you can get from there, and just we have to paste our required code there. We need to understand the things and we need to have an idea, because if you want to change the some things like colors, animations, you can done, right? We should have some idea regarding the Bootstrap that will be useful for changing kind of things as per our requirement. Okay, if you go for this page and if you go for the inspect option, if you right click on that, you are going to see there lots of code is there, right? And instead of this, you will be having the lots of code regarding the CSS here. Okay, this is if you are selecting a particular kind of, I want to this image. Okay, I want this image to be there. And how will I download this? Just click on inspect and it will show some kind of where is it? Yeah, here you will be having image. Okay, and yeah, this is the source. If you click on that, the image can be copied with the high length of image. Okay, I mean, it's very quality will be maintained here. Okay, and if you're selecting that, by default you will get the CSS properties. Okay, this is the CSS properties and this is a box model we are going to discuss. It's very important. For everything there is a box model and that will be applied, and that's every website. If you are taking anything, that will be consisting the CSS properties. And if you want to download the images just without any quality disturbance, you can choose the way what I told before. Okay, if you have any doubt, just comment me below. Yeah, just click on inspect on the particular image and just go for the image media and click on this comment current source. You can get the quality of that particular image, and you can download too by using save as image in your system. Okay, if you have any doubt, just comment me. Yeah, and this is our roadmap end to end. What is CSS? What is the roadmap we are going to cover? That will be done here. Okay, that's all about what is CSS. Okay, and next topics I have written here we are going to cover in the next coming days of 4 to 5 days, and what type of CSS. Okay, we'll see that in our next class. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.